Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming account access and permissions so Sync works reliably. Open the Gmail app, sign in if needed, then go to Settings and tap your account. Turn on Sync for Mail, Contacts, and Calendar. This ensures Gmail can push changes. Once done, check your phone settings. Allow background data for Gmail and disable aggressive battery optimization that blocks sync. Doing this prevents delays and lost updates, which is why you handle permissions before moving to the next steps. Now you force synchronization to merge mobile data with Gmail immediately. Open Settings, Accounts, Google Sync, and tap Sync now. This pushes local changes to your Google account. Then open Contacts and Calendar to verify entries updated across devices. If you see duplicates, merge them in the Contacts app or via Google Contacts web. Merging prevents fragmented records. Make sure to wait a minute after forcing sync, because large contact lists or calendars take extra time to fully propagate. Finish by verifying the last sync time and confirming recent changes appear across devices. If something didn't sync, clear Gmail app cache or remove and re-add the Google account to reset sync tokens. This often fixes stuck states. Also test on a stable network. Switch between Wi-Fi and mobile data to isolate connectivity issues. If problems persist, ensure two-factor prompts aren't waiting. Reauthorize the device so Gmail can access data. That single troubleshooting step usually resolves stubborn sync errors.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.